Yep.
Yep, let's roll. Where are these little kids at?
That's me.
I hear somebody breathing.
That's me.
I hear somebody breathing. I think I know where somebody is. What happened to the chair?
It's right there. What are you looking for?
There's somebody under here. There's nobody down there.
Nobody's down there.
Alright, back to the root. Alright, little chillins. Where you at? I'm coming for you. Oh, I heard some noise. I hear some crack-a-lacking, some breathing. Let's check down here under the table. Oops. Don't move. That's it. Alright, get out of there. I can feel there's more under there. Don't tell me.
Okay.
Hit my head. That was not pleasant.
Stay at the table.
Alright, nobody else. Clear. Let's go to the next room. Hold up, Nobody else. Alright. We got 1 for to go. Easy now. You're doing that knocking.
Can you? You're good. You're almost in between my plants. Hang on.
Okay. I just don't want to run into him. Okay, hold on. No. I heard something.
Hey, how about we go into the kitchen if we're done, okay? So Dad can look. Stand there in the doorway so Dad can look.
I'm coming back this way. I heard somebody. Make sure I don't run into that plant.
I think it might have been Lillian.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just told her to go to the kitchen.
Okay. But I'm still gonna check over here.
Okay.
This is the plant thing I knocked over.
Yes. Movie.
Don't move. Don't move.
You got her.
Where is that?
Nino.
Hi, baby girl. Alright, I gotta go get the other 3.
Oh.
Put them there, by the way. Okay, only person there. Alright. I'm gonna find my way back to the way.
That's me. Do you want me to help you?
No.
Okay.
Here's the wall. Right?
Yeah.
Here's this, okay. Oh, I hear you. I'm coming for you.
Now let's just get the bullet.
Is that you, Lily, chomping your mouth, tongue? I can smell you.
You're killing me.
I can smell you, Lulu. Ow! Alright, where are these kids at? Uh-oh. Somebody move this foot.
Somebody farted.
Who farted? Hey, you moved. You moved. You can't move. Somebody, whoever's there can't move.
Guess which one it is.
They can't move, though.
Guess which one it is.
Oh, they can't move.
I know they
Did
can't.
they move?
Kinda.
Where to? That's it.
Ow.
Who's that?
That hurt.
Alright, baby, get out of here. 2 to go. Where's the kids at?
I'm stuck.
I already know what the other one is. I think, because they always seem to go to this spot.
Get your bullet.
What the hell are you doing? Hey! What are you put under here, boy? Gotcha.
Bring your bullet.
Get out.
Was there a light on down there? It got bright.
No.
Who was that?
One more, Briar.
One more?
Yep.
That's my head. You're about to touch my head.
One more?
Yep.
Yeah, I put boxes in front of me.
I know. What the heck? Alright. One more. What'd you guys do?
Donovan went outside.
No, we can't go outside.
Go sit out there and be quiet, please. Mr. Briar.
You breathe a little bit, I can hear you.
I think that's a dog.
Oh, stupid dog. We're breathing, Lulu. Am I close or not?
I don't know. Depends what you think close is.
No? Hot,
No.
cold?
Cold.
Cold.
Cold. That's me.
Cold.
It's me.
Lulu, you smell like poop. Hot or cold?
Cold.
Okay.
He hasn't moved either.
Alright. Good. Ooh. That you, babe?
Yes.
I'm sure looking where that table is. This is the one table, right?
Yep. That's the one table.
In the window.
Yep.
Not the long table.
Yep.
TV right here somewhere.
Yep.
Cold?
Cold. Cold. Freezing cold. You got frostbite.
And he's gotta be where Briar was.
Nope. I swear he's not.
And I gotta get out of here because there's no more hiding spots in here.
If you say so. Tell me if you give up.
No, I don't give up. I will hunt him down and get him. It's survival of the fittest right now.
You're warm.
And I'm gonna survive.
Yeah, you're getting warm.
Oh, you're hot.
You're about to be on fire.
Oh, no.
Tell me how many rounds I got left. That's all I need to know.
Donnie. You can't move. He moved. He's telling me that.
Did I get him?
Yeah. Yeah, he moved.
Oh, I got him.
He moved. He literally moved. Can we do one more time?
Stop it.